Have you ever felt lost, as if you're wandering through life without direction? What if I told you that the key to finding your purpose lies in ancient wisdom? Today on Zen Stoic, we're diving into how Stoicism can help you discover your true purpose and live a meaningful life. This video matters because understanding your purpose can transform your life. By the end, you'll learn practical Stoic strategies to uncover your purpose and align your actions with your values. Stick around for a journey to a more purposeful you. 1. Understanding purpose. Let's start by understanding purpose. Purpose is the reason you wake up each day, the driving force behind your actions. In Stoicism, purpose is tied to virtue and living in accordance with nature. As Marcus Aurelius said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Action step. Reflect on what gives your life meaning. Write down 3 things you are passionate about. 2. The role of virtue. Next, let's explore the role of virtue in finding purpose. Stoicism teaches that living virtuously is essential for a meaningful life. Virtue includes qualities like wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. Aligning your actions with these virtues creates a purposeful life. As Seneca said, "A good character, when established, is a source of great joy." Action step. Identify one virtue you want to embody more. Write down specific actions to practice this virtue daily. Open-ended question. Which virtue resonates with you the most? Let's discuss in the comments. 3. Embracing challenges. Now, let's talk about embracing challenges as a pathway to purpose. Stoicism teaches that challenges are opportunities for growth. When faced with adversity, ask, "What can I learn from this? How can this experience shape my purpose?" Marcus Aurelius reminds us, "The impediment to action advances action. What stands in the way becomes the way." Action step. Reflect on a recent challenge. How did it help you grow? Write down the lessons learned and how they relate to your purpose. Open-ended question. What challenges have shaped your sense of purpose? Share your experiences below. 4. The importance of community. Next, let's discuss the importance of community in finding purpose. Stoicism emphasizes the value of connection and support from others. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can inspire you to pursue your purpose and hold you accountable. As Epictetus said, "We are not given a good life or a bad life. We are given a life. It's up to us to make it good or bad." Action step. Reach out to someone who inspires you. Share your thoughts on purpose and ask for their insights. Open-ended question. Who do you turn to for support in your journey toward purpose? Let's chat in the comments. 5. Taking action. Finally, let's talk about the importance of taking action. Purpose is not just about understanding, it's about doing. Stoicism teaches us to act in accordance with our values and purpose. As Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one." Action step. Identify one small action you can take today that aligns with your purpose. Write it down and commit to it. Open-ended question. What action will you take to move closer to your purpose? Share your plans below. To wrap up, we've explored how to find purpose through Stoicism. We discussed understanding purpose, the role of virtue, embracing challenges, the importance of community, and taking action. Each strategy can help you uncover your true purpose and live a meaningful life. If you found this video helpful, hit like and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to subscribe to Zen Stoic for weekly wisdom to help you master your mind. Remember, your purpose is waiting to be discovered. Until next time, stay wise and stay purposeful.